Are pens and notebooks gadgets? Well, to me they are, and today I'm super excited to share a unique combo that's all about organization and even boosting your productivity. Whether you're planning content for YouTube, brainstorming ideas during a live stream, or just need a place for your notes, I've got something I think is really cool for you. We're going to review two products: the Cagie A5 Binder 6-ring binder notebook and the Leobro A5 refillable notebook set. Together, they make an excellent pair for anyone looking to keep track of their creative ideas, projects, and more. The Cagie A5 Binder is a high-quality, refillable planner binder perfect for keeping everything organized. It comes with 20 sheets of planning square grid and 20 sheets of dotted grid pages, giving you some very nice variety in page styles for different types of notes right out of the box. The cover has a rigid polyurethane material, which means it holds up well even when you're standing or writing on it. The material also makes it pretty water resistant, at least the cover. It also includes a pen holder, multiple pockets for cards, tickets, or cash, and sturdy stainless steel 6-ring binding. But we're not stopping there. I'm pairing this notebook with the Leobro A5 Notebook Refill Set. This set is packed with useful inserts that make the Cagie binder even more versatile. We're talking 90 additional dotted pages, index tabs, a 3-pocket name card bag, and a plastic ruler marker. Oh, and my favorite, a zipper storage pocket to store any loose bits and pieces. You know, stuff that would otherwise float around your desk. First up, let's start with the Cagie A5 binder. As I unwrap it, you can see the dark gray color, sleek and professional, which I really love. The binder comes with 20 sheets of planning grid and dotted paper. It's got this nice, almost minimalistic aesthetic with an elastic closure to keep everything secure. Now let's look at the Leobro Refill Set. This set includes 90 dotted pages, perfect for bullet journaling or just jotting down ideas. It also comes with index tabs in 5 different colors, which are ideal for marking important sections of the notebook. Plus, we get a ruler marker that doubles as a bookmark, and a 3-pocket card holder, perfect for storing business cards, stamps, or anything else you need to keep on hand. And of course, there's the zipper storage pocket I talked about earlier for all those small, loose items. I can already tell this will be super handy for things like SD cards, USB drives, or anything small that you need to keep with you. All right, those are the parts of the puzzle. Let's put this thing together. The 6-ring binding system on the Cagie binder is really easy to use. It's not unlike any notebook you've probably used in the past. Just pop it open and snap in the Leobro inserts. The sturdy stainless steel rings hold everything securely, and the binder itself feels really solid. You could easily add up to about 100 sheets of paper without feeling like it's overstuffed. Now, that will also depend on the thickness of the pages you're using. One of the things I really like about this setup is how flexible it is. I can add or remove pages as I need, which is different than maybe some of the other journaling notebooks that you have, where you're stuck leaving those pages in place. This makes it easy to archive old pages either by dropping them into a box or even scanning them to make them electronic for later review or even searching with optical character recognition. Then I can just simply replace the removed pages with fresh and tasty new ones. I use the dividers to separate different sections for different projects and have all my planning pages and notes in a single location. I love it. Now, I keep journals for my paying gig. This is going to be used for my content creation. I'm going to call this my content creation notebook. I've got separate sections for brainstorming video ideas, writing down bullet points for my scripts, to-do lists, tracking sponsorships and deadlines, and the index tabs help me keep everything in order. And the pockets are perfect for holding anything from sticky notes to receipts. By the way, you're probably asking me what I use to write with. Well, I'm really starting to dig these Pilot FriXion Clicker Erasable gel pens. I've been a Pilot fan for years, and having the versatility of actually erasing ink is not a bad thing. They're great for when I want to color code my notes, and the erasable feature is just super handy for making quick changes without having to scratch things out. You can even get creative since you can erase through the ink. Plus, they come in assorted colors, which makes my notes way more visually interesting. Hey, let's wrap up this video. Let me tell you a few things I really like about this combo. First, I love the Cagie A5 binder has multiple pockets and card slots that are so handy for keeping things organized. Whether it's tickets, small notes, business cards, there's a spot for everything. The Leobro inserts make it super easy to customize. The dotted pages are fantastic for sketching out ideas or keeping bullet points organized. And the zipper pocket, again, is just a lifesaver for small items that would otherwise disappear into the ether. The stiff cover on the binder means I can take notes without needing a table, perfect for when I am on the go. And let's not forget the ease of adding and removing pages. The stainless steel rings hold everything firmly, which means no pages fall out. The elastic closure keeps the binder secure, preventing any of the pages or accessories from slipping out while I'm on the move. If you're a content creator like me or just someone who loves staying organized, this combo is a fantastic choice. With the Cagie binder providing structure and the Leobro inserts adding versatility, you've got the perfect setup to capture all those creative ideas. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the links below in the video description if you want to pick these up for yourself. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all those things down below so you don't miss my future content. And hey, here's a couple more videos for you to watch if you're really digging my gadget content. That's it for me. retroCombs out.